Are you tired of spending valuable working hours creating SEO optimized content that still doesn't seem to do much to increase your conversion rates or ranking? If so, we know you want to access the most effective SEO tricks. Let's take a look. Mobile friendly matters. Ensure that you've done everything possible to optimize your content for users who will access your website on their mobile devices. But why exactly is mobile friendliness so important? People will access your website from a mobile device more than on their desktop computers. Over 50% of website traffic now comes in through mobile. If your website isn't optimized for mobile use, you're gonna miss out on over half of your target market. Additionally, Google has officially switched to a mobile-first search index strategy. Not being mobile-friendly will impact your site's ranking. Here's some tricks to make sure that your website can be easily read on a mobile device. Check your font size. Is it legible on the smaller screens of a mobile device? Avoid walls of text at all costs. What about the images you use on your mobile site? Are they displaying fully and correctly? Are their sizes actually optimized for mobile devices? If not, you need to compress and optimize them. Blogging. Brands that have a blog have over 430% more index pages than those that don't. This means that your website will have over 430% more chances to rank higher in search engine listings than your blog list competitors. But blogging also gives you the chance to incorporate other SEO tricks into your website. You'll have more opportunities to naturally incorporate keywords and attract the right people to your site with great topics. Do your research and delight visitors. If you're providing these increasing visitors with a great user experience, Google will consider your site an authority and increase your ranking. At the same time, you're increasing brand authority in the eyes of visitors. Create content that people want to link to from their sites. Google uses the number of links you have to better understand your importance. Unique content that has helpful information for your target is the way to go. And don't forget to link internally. Link one blog to another related blog to help the other blog's ranking increase over time. Post frequently on a schedule. This helps Google know that your website is up to date. Focus on speed. Make it fast. Today, people no longer tolerate lag time. Over 50% of people leave if it doesn't load in 2 seconds. Use a tool such as Pingdom Website Speed Test to review your website performance. Consider choosing a content delivery network or CDN that can handle the amount of traffic you expect to get. Eliminate any autoplay video features and pop-up ads from your site. Make sure that you've enabled website caching, which will greatly help your site to load faster on the devices of repeat visitors. Take a look at the amount of plugins you use and get rid of any excess ones that you can. With these tips, you're well on your way, but there's more to learn. Check out our site to learn more. If you liked our video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.